Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install this Takekawa or even to remove this original exhaust from this Honda Monkey. I'm doing the upgrade from the original one like that. You see the part from the header to this one as like is a mess, and somehow it's difficult for me to do the oil change because of the small part underneath that. So I upgrade that with this Takekawa. The reason why I chose this one because I like the way they run the headers like away from where we work and still keep the original shape and color of this one, because I prefer original one, which just look fantastic already from the bike itself here over here. So I'm gonna show you next it's how to remove the original one. But basically the original one will have the exhaust like that, and it also have the has this kind of cover. This is look ugly because of I used detergent or something just to clean it whatsoever. So this thing out this one is very simple because you can see the bolts in here at the rear of it, and that one is also easy. This one is also easy. But in case for this one, so it little bit confused for me from the first place, like how to remove it, because this is only one bolt that attached to, you know, the size of the exhaust like that. So just look over here, you see like the slot, 3 points for these guys. This thing attached to the exhaust, the slip-on, 3 point, one here, and one here. So after you remove this thing out, you can slightly, you know, backward just a little bit and then lift it up, so you should be able to take it out easily. Just be careful with I'm not sure if other models will have this one in plastic. Maybe this one will be broken, but this one is metal, so I just do like a wiggle a little bit and then just pop out very easy. Leave this thing for a while because I will do oil change later on. Okay, so this thing is just the original one. So basically all of these attached to the bike, which is only 4 points. One is over here on the top, the bottom here, and this one underneath of the bike. I'll show you where. It's over here from the bike, here, and the bottom one, it's here with this one. So just remove that one off, pretty easy. And the last one will be from the exhaust itself. Remember, if you remove the header, make sure you change the gasket. I have to wait like 2 weeks just to order this one because I forgot to order from the first place. But this one will be out very easy. So in case as you want what part it is, hopefully you can see it. This is the gasket part that I ordered from my supplier in Thailand, and takes me just only 2 weeks, pretty quick. But I do believe like this one is also fit with Honda Grom, should be fit very easy. So to install this one, I'm gonna put this one back, so hopefully you can see all the process that I do. Okay, let's start. So this one I already put it last time, so it's pretty easy for me just to join everything back in the positions like that. All right, just to hold the position there, over there. All right, I hear the sound just to get in. All right, so all of these you need to put it in by hand first, just to make sure like all the position get in. Last time I felt like this guy, it's pretty hard to get in. All right, to get that one into the position, sometimes it's a little bit difficult if we cannot like really get that one into the place first. You see, it was like move a little bit. So I put the gasket in there. It's already a new one in there, the position. So now it's time to lock it with this one, so it doesn't leak. So get that one's like not really like all the way in, just to hold the position, because you still need to get another side in and make it align like completely flat like that. So when I put it by hand like that, you can feel like it's like attached on both sides of it. Just make sure that so I think it's better for me to like that, you know, move it a little bit. So I just want to make sure that my exhaust completely flat with the whole of the engine. So I'm gonna go like that, go like that. So now it's like just a little bit like I can move it, and I can wiggle also this one. Let me see the hole. Okay, now the hole it's pretty straight to the place. All right, let's see if we can put it in. All right, little by little. Okay, see, now the hole is in. Okay, if you leave that one as too loose, probably this one cannot get in. This one is easy. So tighten this. I will go with this one first. I'll check on the manual. It say 27 Newton meter. So I will put just hand tie first. Like now I find that both sides was like very equal now, because it's like completely sit in there. You see that in the positions like that. And then first I just like a little bit on the side, one by one, like that, and like that, a little like that, a little bit more like that. The reason why I have to do like this, because I want it to be like completely sealed, like one by one, because I put the new gasket. This one do the job for the sealing, but you need to compress like all the sides equal, so you need to go like one by one on the side. All right, this one done, just throw it away. All right, so this one, when we put it in, feels like it's tight. So the next one is I'm gonna make it secure first, start, and then see how it goes. So let me secure this one first, so I don't break anything, because it will move just a little bit. So it is a good idea just to get it tight for this one first. Okay, just a little bit. All right, so now the pipe itself, it's already in the positions. I also lock this guy. Now I'm gonna start the bike and see if there is any sound of leaking, because the last time it was like leaking. All right. Ooh, it's pretty good now. So I have to feel that if there's any leaking. Okay, I feel nothing right on the side. Just make sure that you don't touch the exhaust. Okay, nothing leaked from there. All right, pretty good. So the bottom there is completely sealed now, and I'm pretty satisfied with that. So next ones, we're gonna assemble everything back. But before that, I'm gonna show you how to remove the air filter there, because to get this one off, I'm gonna show you the points that I get this one off. So basically, with this kind of Monkey 125, you will have this kind of cover almost, I think the first gen and this second generation of it. So this thing will hold in the positions of this one, just only one screw underneath that. So it's gonna cover like that, and the screw in there. So to take this one off, remove the screw and then slide it forward like that, because the attach point, it's here, underneath one, the top one, these two. So you can see over here and over here, like that. I'm gonna leave it for a while because I need to do detailing on this one, it's like pretty dirty after like 2000 kilometers of this one, but it's not really bad. All right, so I'm gonna show you the front one, how to remove the air filter of this one. After you remove it on both sides, you will have this screw, I think 8 of them, these two, and the other side, the opposite, will be more or less the same. In there, after you take this cover off, you will see one screw there inside. So remember to take this one off. Don't try to like pull your air filter out, because you're gonna break the house of air filter. So this one remove, and then air filter will be inside, just to take it out. So the next step is I'm gonna do some brush on these guys. As you can see, it was like ugly after my I think I used the degreaser or something on it. Now I'm gonna clean this one, and let's see if I can remove all this shit out of the cover. Otherwise I need to do the repaint again for these guys. All right.